and gentlemen, as always, thank you for watching. Today we have a customer who has, well, not from this area, and pulled the truck off where a truck normally would pull forward to back into a dock, and is sunk in the mud because we've got a lot of rain. And I'm trying to fight that system right over there, get ahead of it. I just saw a flash of lightning as I was doing the intro, and yeah, it's headed this way. We've got more storms headed, moving in. So let's go get this done. Here we go. Pictures may not have done this situation justice. We'll find out in a minute. Going backwards is, I don't think, a wise option. Now you can see where other people have tried to get out here and, oh, it's already got the bumper already damaged. I'm gonna have to take pictures, justify all of this. No bueno. All right. Just cover ourselves, make sure that we you know, we can't be blamed for any further damage. Hello, sir. Let me get some pictures here real quick for the office.
Yeah, so this is the situation.
Do what, sir?
This is the situation.
Yeah, it looks pretty bad.
Yeah.
And we're not going backwards with it because it'll rip everything out from underneath it.
Yeah, it's not gonna work out.
That won't come out, will it?
Yeah, it will come out. Sure.
Huh?
It will come out.
This?
Huh?
Those won't come out.
Yes, it will come out.
Okay. All right, so I'm gonna have to have the hood forward then.
Open the hood?
Yes, I have to have that tilted forward, and I have to have the hood open so that I can lift from the front and bring the rear, or bring the nose over out of the mud. Let me get some, is it okay to get in the truck? I need the VIN and the mileage. You have to drop this down. This has to come down so that the hood will come down.
Because here, it's stuck in here, you see, so it's not gonna work without. Yeah.
Okay. Well, we don't have much other choice then. We're gonna have to go around those.
Yes.
Do what, sir?
I don't want to hit the lights. No lights.
Oh no, yeah. Is your trailer empty or loaded?
It's loaded.
It is loaded?
Yeah.
Okay.
So how much
Let me get set up. Let's beat that storm. You see that storm system over there?
Yeah.
We've got to beat that. You just see that strike of lightning? We got to get out of here. I don't want my boom in the air. do it off the side, but I'd rather give myself more room. All right, let's get this done. Already starting to sprinkle. Not gonna beat it. I can't even get around it. Oh, that won't hold it. There's no way that'll hold it. Crap. The only other way would be to use the spreader bar and get the spreader bar set up and lift the whole front end. Dang it. This is buried too far to get in there. Do what?
That side is better.
Well, I gotta lift both sides though. Otherwise it'll torque the hood and it'll get the fan into the fan shroud. Alright, while I get some stuff, see if you can get in here and dig out under this bracket. Do I? Come on, Storm, go that way. Go that way, please. Got to be able to get all the way underneath that metal piece right here.
Oh.
The metal bracket that that hook is attached to, all the way down at the bottom. I got to go all the way under it. Come on now. No lightning rod in the air with me. If this storm gets too close, we're gonna have to shut it down because I can't have this up in the air with that lightning.
Okay, I'm trying for this.
Oh, I'm not fussing. I'm just telling you what we'll need to do. I will have to shut down if the storm gets too much closer. Oh, hold on. That's right on my chain. All right, go ahead, go ahead. I've got to be able to get to this bracket right here.
We cannot reach that. There is no other way.
There is, but I've got to set up that spreader bar or we've got to get the hood open.
What about if you rub it here, man, a couple of times?
I can't get the chain around it. That's why I'm saying I have to get under it because right now I can't get behind it.
That's right, this should open.
This side's unlocked, but you're pinched right here.
What about that side?
Can't. It's just going to tear this side up even worse. Let me see if I can sneak a hook back in there, but it's likely to damage that.
It's already damaged.
No, I mean back here. Behind this part. It's going to push in on that plastic bumper. Are you okay with that?
Yeah.
Because that's the only option I've got. If you want this done quickly.
Yes,
I've got other options. That's all right. Come on, baby, come on. All right, release your brakes, your truck and trailer brakes. Just release them, that's all I want. Driver has given authorization. If it damages it, it damages it. Going up and in to getting back on the pavement. Lock your brakes. Set your brakes. Set your brake. Set your brakes. Get that boom down. Might have just beat the storm. Hopefully it went south of us, but I don't know. We just had this truck all cleaned up. Oh well, it's a work truck. Yeah.
I need your semi key.
Okay. Do we not know what happened to the other one?
Yeah, it's in my house.
Oh,
Sorry.
no problem. Whew, those drops are getting big. Come on, baby, hurry up. Get down, get down, get down, get down. It's getting closer. I can see it over there in the field. I might get this put up just in time. Maybe, maybe, maybe. Woo, goodness. Feel that breeze. Nice cool breeze, which I'm not gonna complain about at all. But there's a lot of rain in that thing. Woo. Ah, shoot, I forgot my tie backs. I'll get that in a minute. Get this all stowed and get out of here. Yes, ma'am, give me just a minute. Yes, ma'am, I will. She's telling us to come inside because of the storm. Come on, get this stuff stowed. Let's get it stowed. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, let's go. Okay, so the nice lady at the Amazon facility allowed us inside the building and we waited out the worst part of it. You can see it moving south of us here. We keep getting these pop-up storms and some of them can be pretty violent. We've had some historic flooding in this area. Some of you may have seen it on national news. It's been a very bizarre weather year thus far. Anyway, nobody hurt in this situation. Best case scenario. As always, thank you for watching. God bless.